Today I am reviewing iBUYPOWER Slate Mesh Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a gaming desktop that perfectly balances raw power, stunning visuals, and future-ready performance, then the iBUYPOWER Slate Mesh Gaming PC desktop, model SMI7N5701, deserves your attention. This Prebuilt gaming machine is designed to handle everything from competitive esports titles to heavy AAA games, video editing, and even streaming, all without breaking a sweat. At the heart of this system is the Intel Core i7-14700F processor. This chip belongs to Intel's latest 14th generation lineup, offering 20 cores and 28 threads of power, with base speeds of 2.1 GHz and turbo speeds up to 5.4 GHz. What this means in practical terms is blistering multitasking capability. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or running demanding productivity software, this CPU can juggle it all with ease. For creators who need fast rendering, or professionals who use CAD, Photoshop, or video editing suites, this processor is a massive upgrade compared to older generations. Pairing that CPU is the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 with 12 GB of GDDR5 memory. This graphics card is built for high-performance gaming and next-gen visuals. You're looking at smooth gameplay in 1440p at ultra settings, and even very capable 4K performance in many titles. The RTX 5070 also brings support for DLSS 3 and advanced ray tracing, delivering lifelike lighting, shadows, and reflections. Gamers can enjoy cinematic visuals, while streamers and content creators benefit from NVIDIA's AI-enhanced encoding and rendering features. Memory is another big highlight here. The system comes with a generous 32 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 5200 MHz. That's lightning-fast memory, not only great for gaming, but also for productivity tasks and multitasking. DDR5 ensures you won't be bottlenecked when handling multiple applications, large game files, or heavy software. And with support for up to 192 GB of RAM, this PC is ready for future upgrades. Storage is handled by a 1 TB NVMe solid-state drive, giving you lightning-fast boot times, near-instant game loading, and smooth file transfers. Compared to traditional hard drives or even older SATA SSDs, NVMe drives make a huge difference in responsiveness. Plus, with 1 TB of space, you'll have room for a large library of games, software, and media files. Now, beyond raw performance, the iBUYPOWER Slate Mesh also brings a premium design. The case features tempered glass panels and customizable RGB lighting, making it not just a powerhouse, but a showpiece for your setup. Inside, airflow is handled by a tower air cooler and multiple RGB fans, ensuring your system runs cool and quiet even under heavy load. Good thermals mean longer component lifespan and stable performance during marathon gaming sessions. Connectivity is also impressive. You get 6 USB 3.1 ports, multiple audio jacks, Ethernet, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs, along with built-in Wi-Fi so you're ready to connect straight out of the box. Whether you prefer a wired gaming setup or wireless convenience, this PC supports both. Another great value point is that this desktop comes with a free iBUYPOWER RGB gaming keyboard and mouse, so you can start gaming right away without needing extra accessories. It also runs Windows 11 Home, giving you the latest features and compatibility for modern apps and games. User feedback has been strong, with the Slate Mesh PC scoring a 4.4 out of 5 stars from hundreds of reviews. Buyers appreciate the balance between high-end specs, cooling, and price point. It's an excellent choice for gamers who want a plug-and-play powerhouse that doesn't require the hassle of custom building. To sum it all up, the iBUYPOWER Slate Mesh Gaming PC SMI7N5701 is a fantastic option for anyone serious about gaming or creative work. With the Intel Core i7-14700F, the RTX 5070, 32 GB of fast DDR5 RAM, and a speedy 1 TB NVMe SSD, This desktop can handle everything you throw at it today, and it's future-proof for years to come. Add in the sleek RGB design, strong cooling, and included accessories, and you've got one of the best Prebuilt systems available in 2025. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance desktop that balances power, style, and value, the iBUYPOWER Slate Mesh is absolutely worth considering.